blow it up like a volcano.
Welcome for today's exciting science experiment, the erupting volcano. Joining me are Princess Diane Paules, Saint Mark Pasuelo, and Kenneth Magbanua. So, let's get started.
Thanks for having us. Today, we'll create a model of volcanic eruption using baking soda, vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and food coloring.
That's right! Volcanoes erupt when the magma from beneath the Earth's surface is released through a vent or fissure. Our experiment will mimic this process.
Wow! I love learning about volcanoes. How does the experiment work?
We'll mix baking soda together with the food coloring and dishwashing liquid to create a model of the volcano's surface. Then, we'll add vinegar, which react with the baking soda to produce carbon dioxide.
Just like in real volcanoes, the buildup of gas pressure will cause the volcano to erupt.
Okay, let's start. First, we need to put this baking soda together with dishwashing liquid and food coloring.
Wow! Look at that go!
Ah! Perfect! The eruption is just like a real volcanic explosion, with the gas pressure releasing suddenly.
And notice how the lava flow is similar to real volcanic eruptions, with the mixture flowing down the sides of the volcano.
That's so cool! I never knew science could be so explosive.
Thanks to Princess, Saint, and Ken for demonstrating this exciting experiment. Remember, science is all around us, even in the most explosive way.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!